But first tonight at 5, a major decision coming down from the Supreme Court, which now will allow the Trump administration to cut off temporary legal protections for Haitians and Syrians.
Springfield hosts a large group of Haitian immigrants that are now left wondering what is next for them. 2 News reporter Sartaj Singh joins us live outside Springfield City Hall. Sartaj, you heard from a group who supports Haitians in Springfield. What can you share with us?
Well, Jack and Lauren, G92 is the group I spoke with. They're a Springfield-based group for immigrant justice, and they said that they are devastated at this announcement. Now, Viles Dorsonville, a Haitian TPS holder and one of the leaders in the Springfield Haitian community, said that today was, quote, one of the saddest days since coming here. He has shared with me in previous stories that the current state of his home country is not safe and violence is common. Now he is scared that many will be in danger once they return home. Temporary protective status has been in the spotlight over the past couple of years. Previous rulings included the extension of that status. But now, after a 6-3 vote in the Supreme Court, that same status is now up in the air. G92 said in a statement that the decision will impact 12,000 Haitians living in the Springfield legally and may cause them to be separated from families.
I don't, you know, there's a legal response to this, and then there's a human response to this, and the legal response to this is going to be talked about a lot. I don't want the human response to this to be lost for even a second. The Supreme Court's decision means that many people are going to die violent, needless.
Now, Viles, as well as the G92 group, want to remind residents or those Haitian immigrants to stay connected on what to do next, as well as helping or asking for the public's help in this matter. In Springfield, Sartaj Singh, 2 News.
Thanks, Sartaj. Springfield's Mayor Rob Rue released a statement on that decision. It reads in part, quote, while we respect the judicial process and will follow federal law, our top priority remains the safety and well-being of all residents. We value every person in our community and remain committed to maintaining stability and support for those who call our city home.
Meanwhile, Governor Mike DeWine also weighed in on the decision. In a statement he wrote, quote, today's decision is a legal decision. As I have stated in the past, the policy to remove these individuals from our country is a mistake. As a result of today's ruling, the over 10,000 Haitians who have been living in Ohio legally through TPS will now be here illegally and will be subject to immediate deportation. Changing the immigration status of these individuals is not in the best interests of the United States nor Ohio, end quote.